Hello YouTube, how's it going? Today we're going to try and do the points on this. So what we're going to do is crack the head bolts just on one side. I'll go this way. Oh wow, that was surprisingly easy. Usually that doesn't happen. So we're going to remember where this goes. And I'm going to mark it with something. So basically, I'm going to take that, probably this one. And there's like one here, I think, and one over here. So we're going to do that, and I will continue the segment. Okay, so I got my bolts labeled. 1, 2, and 3, like so. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna take off this side thing here, and I believe it is this size. Okay, one more bigger. I'm sure you guys just love watching me fix junk. Put a new brake pad in the go-kart earlier, so that was fun. That was a nightmare. Oh my god! Oh, please tell me I'm at the bottom. We're good. What the hell? I love old American cast iron bolts and stuff. They all come off so nice. So that should pop off with a, that looks like a 1/2er. Okay. Is it? I guess it's a 7/16, so. And we'll find out what is under this awesome flywheel cover. Okay. Not bad. So, what we're going to do is get this spinner thing out, and the points are obviously under the flywheel somewhere, which sucks. This should come off pretty easily. So, with that being said, I'm going to shut the camera off and do some work, because I don't feel like, wasting up camera. Well, I'm trying to get this stupid spinner guy off here, but I'm having no luck. I got my pry bar and my channel locks, and I'm trying to get this spinner off. And man, does it just not want to come off. So, I'm not really getting too far with this, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'm not really sure what to do. If it wasn't spun on there, I'd take a gear puller and just pull it right off, but whatever. So, I guess I'll just keep messing around with it, and I'm going to try not to break anything. So, yeah, drink Marley's Mellow Mood. Stuff's great. Alright, unfortunately I broke a flywheel fin. That's okay though. It's not cast iron, but I popped this off. All I did was literally I put the pry bar like right under it, and I just moved it, and it popped right off, which blew me away. But now I gotta get this stupid foolish thing off here that doesn't want to seem to come off, because this is what's actually holding up the flywheel. I don't want to wreck the threads, so yeah, I'm going to try to get this stupid foolish thing off. There we go. And there's the flywheel. So, yeah, there's that piece I cracked off, dumbass. But I eventually got that off by putting a screwdriver on top of the little hole and smashing it real hard with a hammer. So I'm gonna take, yeah, I guess I can take that off. Put that right here. And I'm gonna take this box off with this. I swear I didn't have that set up. That was for, what did I use this for already? I used it on something. Oh, the ratchet. So stick those little guys down there. Those are self-tapping, which is weird. And we're gonna pull this thing off here. Oh wow, that's a contraption and a half. Okay. So, top dead center is like right there, I think. So it's a condenser with points. Huh. What a weird machine. I've never seen anything like that. But then again, I've never been in a 2.5 horsepower engine. So, thanks to 1944 John Deere L, who told me that. And who else has given me information? I'm sure Cub Cadet Puller will. And alright, some New Hampshire grass. It's the good stuff right there. But anyways, I'm going to sand that up with some, whatchamacallit, emery board. And actually, you know what? I'll keep the camera on and show y'all. Hopefully the music bylaw guys don't get me. So I'm just gonna take a regular old emery board, stealing from your mom or your girlfriend or whoever. I don't want to break this thing. And they're pretty grimy. Not too bad. I've seen worse. Oh, and then I'll get my aerular hose. Alright, I got spark, so I'm gonna stab this little carburetor cleaner in here. And we'll see if it won't fire. Oh, I forgot to put a few pieces on, but it's alright. Cool. So that works. Awesome. Anyways, now that we know that runs, I'm gonna button this thing back up. Cool, man. Alright, I cleaned the carburetor, and this is what we're gonna do. Oh, I realized what I didn't do. I didn't put a linkage on it. Here it is, all running. Yeah, buddy. I'm the man.